Jennelle Eliana has been blowing up on YouTube recently. She has gotten 1 million subscribers in under a month with just 2 videos. These are some legendary numbers, so we are going to break down exactly how she managed to crush it, and hopefully you can incorporate some of these things to be more charismatic. 1. Jenelle isn't afraid to show her flaws. We often only see the best version of someone on social media. Vlogs on YouTube are simply a collection of highlights, while Instagrammers only post their best pictures. Jenelle is confident enough that she has no issue showing her flaws in her videos, specifically a fear of bugs.
I knew it was still in here! Oh my god! I'm trying to drive and I'm gonna crash! Don't understand, you don't freaking oh my god, okay, I can pull over here. Oh my god, 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 I'm gonna hit this car. Oh god. If you guys think I'm f***ing dramatic, look at that! Oh my god! Go away! Go!
When you're willing to put yourself in a position where you might be laughed at, it shows deep confidence. It shows those around you, or in this case, those who are watching, that your self-image is sturdy enough to withstand criticism. Also, in this case, since she is on video, it shows the viewers a more genuine side of her, which makes the viewer like her more and continue watching the video. 2. Jenelle is great at storytelling. She is able to masterfully subvert expectations, which, when done right, can be very entertaining and enhance the story. A vlog is basically a story in video form, and in her How I Shower Living in a Van video, she takes the viewer for an entertaining ride before reaching a conclusion. She makes the viewer first believe that she uses a pocket shower, and then trolls the viewer in an entertaining way.
Don't forget to use biodegradable soap. My shower went south. Literally, it was blowing south. I concluded that the sexy outdoor shower would not suffice my need for cleanliness. I entered the Blue Beast.
After that, she reveals the truth that she uses gym showers. Taking the viewer for the ride is much better than flat out saying the ending. She is able to entertain the viewer by adding in her own sense of humor and keep them watching. The next time you are telling a story, don't just say, "This happened," and then "that happened." Try taking the person listening on a ride, and your storytelling skills will be much better. 3. She has high energy and doesn't take herself seriously. You can say that's because she is young, but Jenelle is great at self-amusement, and she has a lot of these little skits throughout her video that amuse both her and the viewer. Emotions are contagious, so when she is having fun, the viewer ends up with a smile on their face. Also, if you notice her delivery, she doesn't hold back. She uses a variety of movements, so her delivery isn't undercut. Even though not everyone is a fan of the YouTuber energy, if you bring more energy to your daily interactions, the other party will enjoy it, and you will be more charismatic. High energy reminds us that there is more to life and we should enjoy it. 4. Jenelle is passionate about her lifestyle and her content. Part of being charismatic is being genuine. You can tell from her videos that she is really passionate about living the van life. She isn't faking anything to hop on the van life trend to get tons of views. She just wants to share vlogs of her life with her pet snake.
Hello, I'm Jenelle and I live in a van with my pet snake, Alfredo. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a tour of our tiny home, which is a 1995 GMC Vandura Explorer Limited. But first and foremost, I just want to say welcome to the first frickin' video on my YouTube channel. This video is long overdue. I've been living in this van for almost 2 years now. 7 months with my baby boy, but I think I am finally ready to share my home with you guys. This might be a little bit of a lengthy video, so sit back.
One thing that really hurts your charisma, whether you are a creator or not, is being fake to please someone or to get something. You will come off as either suspicious or try hard, and interactions will end up as a tug of war, where the other party might think, what is this person trying to get from me? When a content creator is faking something, the viewer can tell and leave the video quickly. While you might not be a content creator, this still applies to you. If you're cracking jokes just to try to please someone, it will come off as try hard, especially if you're not seen as someone who cracks jokes. If you crack jokes because they genuinely make you feel good and laugh, people will tend to like you more because you are genuinely a fun person. And that's how she was able to crush it on YouTube with only 2 videos. If you like this video, leave a like and check out my other videos if you want more content.